Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of chat and exploring how you can make money through this incredible technology. So, let's get started. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you earn some extra cash. Here's how. 1. Use chat to create content. Whether it's blog posts, social media posts, or even books, chat can help you generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. You can then sell this content to businesses or individuals who need it. 2. Provide chatbot services. Chat can be used to create chatbots for businesses. You can offer your services to help businesses set up and maintain their chatbots, providing a valuable service in the process. 3. Create AI-powered apps. Chat can be used to create AI-powered apps for a variety of industries. You can offer your services to businesses who need help developing these apps and earn a nice income in the process. 4. Use chat for market research. Chat can be used to gather market research data. You can offer your services to businesses who need help conducting market research and earn a tidy sum in the process. Remember, chat is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic wand. It's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Always make sure you're providing high-quality content and services, and that you're not violating any copyright or privacy laws. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.